Hello, I'm Mrs. Ruma Dhanbate, and in this video lecture we shall see views of data. View of data in DBMS tells how the data is visualized or seen at each level of data abstraction. What is data abstraction? It allows developers to keep complex data structures away from the users. The developers achieve this by hiding the complex data structures through levels of abstraction. Data independence. While changing the data schema at one level of the database must not modify the data schema at the next level. Now, the three schema architecture. The three schema architecture defines the views of data at three levels. View level, which is also called as the external level, logical level, that is the conceptual level, and physical level, that is the internal level. Three schema architecture shows the view level, logical level, and physical level. The view level, it shows you how the data can be used for different purposes by different users. For example, in a college, you have a student database and there are a number of departments as well. You have the accounts departments, the library departments, and the faculties. Now, the teachers or faculties are concerned with your roll number, whether you have given the assignments, whether you have passed in a subject or not. They don't have to do anything with the accounts department, that is whether you have paid your fees or not, or the library. Now, similarly, the accounts department is not concerned with what the faculty wants from a student, and the library is concerned only with whether the students has returned the books or not. So everyone has a different view of the database, and according to their requirements, they fetch the data from the database. Now this is the user's view. That means there will be number of users in which they will be using one database according to their requirements. Then is the logical view. A logical view actually how the data is stored, what is the entity set, what is the entity types, and what are the data types that is stored in the logical level. In the physical level, actually how the data is stored in the hardware or the database, how the data is saved, that shows in the physical level. View level or user level, or it is also called as the external level. It is the higher level of data abstraction. It exhibits only a part of the whole database. It exhibits the data in which the user is interested. The view level can describe many views of the same data. The user retrieves the information using different application from the database. Logical level or conceptual level. It is the level above the physical level. The data is stored in the form of entity set, entities, and their data types. Adding constraints to the view of the data adds security. That is, you can add the constraints to the data view. Now, since the constraints are added to the data, users are restricted to access some particular parts of the data only. It is the developer and database administrator who operate at the logical or the conceptual level. Then comes the physical level or the internal level, and it describes how the data is stored in the hardware. It also describes how the data can be accessed, and the physical level shows the data abstraction at the lowest level. It uses complex data structures, and the database administrator operates at this. If you liked the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.